Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike sitting here in my 560 SCL, loving every minute, except for one thing. Yeah, I got a pain in my... with my best friend, lifting our engine mounts to Jesus, because you lift me up. All right, here's what's going on. This is what we're going to do today. All right, I haven't vacuumed the interior. I'm sorry, but I want to show you something. There is a flaw. There is a flaw. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's horrible. Ruins the whole car, doesn't it? Yep, the side bolster. Super common issue, okay? This you can fix, okay? We're going to fix it today in record time. And we're going to fix a squeak on that side of the seat. So what do? Well, the seat comes out first, then this is removed. Yep, she's getting naked. We're getting naked today, folks. You know, I need to spend more time in this back seat, if you know what I mean. Dunk. Okay, no. Basically, to do this, to get this far, I'm going to try to do this with this seat in the car, okay? This is going to be, I hope I don't curse myself again, or... here we go. Okay, so you have the back of the seat attached. There are two Phillips screws there and there. Undo those, push up, this comes off, okay? See, there's the little latches that they sit in, okay? And you can slightly touch that aside. You need a 27 millimeter socket for your armrest. Don't go through this way. Nope. Hello, how are you? Don't take me off yet. It's just a 27, okay? So you can undo this. And this wasn't even on very tight, to be honest. Now, where'd that go? Did I just lose it? Did I? Nope, there it is. Okay, here we go, 27 mil. Take off the little washer. Okay, and this just comes out, okay? Look at that, I can fix that. That's not a big deal. All right. Now we have two little clips here, and then all you have to do is, like on every other seat in almost every other car, you just have this plastic stuff that wraps around. Okay, so you can pull it out and get it over the edge. And if you want to push back on the seat, it gives you a little more room to do that. See how that whole thing moved? See? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to try to get this off. Take these two things out. I do have to get headrest. Have to remove that too. I think I just push these little buttons right here and that should come out. So we'll see what happens. Okay, hold on. Stay right there. Don't move. This is the new one to me, okay? See how gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, that's gorgeous. I don't remember how much this was on eBay, but I want to show you how ingenious Mercedes is. Okay, these are the little hooks, okay? Usually you have these little clamps. You get, like, what are they called? Goat head, little rings, goat rings or something. I don't know. And they're metal rings, and they're like this, and you squeeze them and you go like that, and it holds this to the back of the seat. Well, Mercedes, in their infinite wisdom, has decided to use little white clamps. See that right there? So what you do is you remove the white clamps, and you can remove... Let me show you this one. You need two hands. You really do, kind of. Okay, there you go. See? There you go. You can remove that one. I don't know why that's glued on there, but if you push it real good, and it'll slide out. See? Okay, then you just take them out. So we're going to get all of these out, and then we're going to figure out why my headrest isn't moving, because this, for some weird reason, as I'm fighting this piece right here, the seat only moves in the rain. I don't know why, but that's weird. So it's not raining yet. It's going to rain, but the seat isn't moving. Okay, so I got that one out too. Look at me getting all this work done while I'm talking to you guys. See? Push out. See? I love this. Push. Whoops. And they just come out. Okay, so we're going to work on that. This is what I think you push to get the headrest up and out. Ugh. But it's not working because this has to be all the way up. So I can wait for it to rain, and then my seat will start working, or I can figure out why there's no power when it's dry. What's it going to be, Mike? What's it going to be? Let's work on this for a little bit. Okay. We are back, and guess what? It rained yesterday, and guess what? This went up and down. It did. The headrest went up and down for some bizarre, strange reason. So now, hopefully, if I push this button right here, I can get it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. She's out. She is out. How easy was that? If only everything worked out like that in Monkey Wrench Mike's life. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm trying to decide how I want to go about this next step, because I want to compare. Okay, I just want to compare what it looks like under here. Oh, sorry. So sorry. Okay, so there is padding, and this does go down a little bit, so it should just lift up. Yeah, it should just lift up. Okay. For these two things right here, okay, there are two little tabs you're going to have to release. I'm guessing with the screwdriver, and then hopefully this thing will lift up, because if you look under here, see? Yep, there's your little tabs right there, there, and there. Yeah, it should be easy to do. Okay, we'll see if I can get that out. And then we'll get this new lovely, lovely cow skin on the car. We're making progress. Take a look at that right there. Yep, that is one naked Mercedes seat. Okay, so the plan is we're just going to put the cover on top of it, button it up in the back just like we took it off, and then we're going to be sitting pretty. We're going to be sitting so very pretty. All right, let's see if I can find a good place for the camera to sit, and then we'll add a little music and we'll get this thing covered up. She's a little cold. Let me lay some knowledge on you in my 15 plus minutes of upholstery work with the Mercedes. Yeah, my knowledge is very limited. Okay, so what I've decided is, you know how these things kind of poke through? Well, you need a little hook. You need to go down here with the hook, and you grab them, and you try not to stab your finger, which I have done multiple times, okay? And you grab them, you kind of pull them up, and you take your screwdriver and you kind of help guide it up through the little slot. And I have a confession to make too, okay? This is a cover for the passenger seat, okay? I could not find one for the driver's seat. And this is all I could find. And so apparently these little hooks and the little slots on the back don't line up perfectly. And I get to cut a hole for the armrest, okay? Not a big deal, not a big deal at all. Just an opportunity to increase your knowledge, okay? So we have one more little metal hook, okay? And I had to actually kind of go through and make the slots a little bigger on some of these little hooks. This one kind of fits. As long as you're in the area, I think it's going to be okay. But that's 15 minutes of knowledge there. So I'm hoping it's going to be okay. But see how this kind of slides in? Come on. If you want to, you can kind of go under here and grab it like that. Okay, see? Snaps right into place. Thank you very much. And voila, 150 times better, okay? And then when I put it on, hopefully it'll fill out a little more. I'm worried about the corners. The corners right there, I'm hoping they fill out, especially on this side a little bit. I don't know the difference in the left and right seat. I've been told they're the same, except for the hole, and now I know they're not because of the slots, okay? But that's all right. Not everybody's an expert, although they claim to be one. I have never claimed to be an expert. I like to learn things, but I am an expert at nothing. All right, so let's put it on. We'll mark, see the hole? Hole? No hole. No hole. Okay, and then we're gonna cut the hole, and then we'll button it up. Hey, we're back, everybody. Look at me, I'm in the mirror. I'm starting to wonder if I should have just waited and found the driver's side seat cover, but I don't know when they're gonna come up. You know, I don't know. So we've got this kind of modified. It looks kind of jankety, really kind of jankety. I could probably trim that a little bit right there. But it's on, it's solid. I have the armrest attached, had to cut the hole out. Let's put this in. See how this goes. Okay. Okay, that's in. Look at that. We're clicked in. Everything is good. I'm going to trim this little piece right here so that sits more flush or better. And then we'll attach the back. Remember, the back just goes on like this. 2 hooks. And it covers up all the mistakes. And look at that. Beautiful. I'll show you the front in just a moment. All right. And behold, there was a car seat. And it was good. And then he rested. Yeah, look at that. I don't know about this little part right there. Maybe I could have put some foam in there. But let me show you the big deal. The big deal is the front, because it no looky so bad no more. Okay, you ready? Oh yeah, no hole. It looks nice and comfortable. Let's see. Let's give it a little butt test. Oh, Mikey likes. Mikey likes. Okay. Ooh, Mikey hasn't even looked at his hair today. Sorry about that. But she's coming back. Well, let's see what happens, because I looked under here and there's a whole bunch of ground wires, and I believe the ground wires for this seat and that seat, the motors, are connected there. Okay, and now we don't have power again. It's only when it's wet do these work. How bizarre. Okay, let's try it again. No, nothing. Nothing. So when it's dry, there's no power to the front seats. When it's wet, there's power to the front seats. So, how bizarre is that? That is very bizarro. But we're going to wrap up this video because I'm tired. And I've kind of worked on this a little bit. We'll put that back together. It just goes right there. Make it all nice and pretty. And the next thing I have for you guys is, I think, the eye lift. And then hopefully we'll look into the fuel issue on why this thing is so bouncy. See? Boom, 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 boom. I'm missing 2 cylinders. They're not hitting right, okay? Number 4, number 7. That's why we're jiggly. Jiggly wiggly. All right, that's going to do it. Had to put a hat on for you. Yeah, because I got a haircut finally after so many, many weeks. But I haven't had a shower yet today. I got to get dressed and go to work. I don't know why I can't talk. I can't breathe. Hope it's not the COVID. I don't think it is. But anyway, see, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Yeah, thanks, Mike. Okay. So that's the engine problem. We're going to get it fixed. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, please subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. You know, the same thing I say every single video. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. And ladies too. Bye.